How can market research help me in my professional career? So while I'm not entirely sure what profession I want to pursue after I graduate, what I do know is that the economy and society itself runs on the basic economic principle of demand and supply. So whether I choose to enter into the public or private sector, in a profit-driven company or in an NGO, I will be well equipped to undertake research efforts or market research and determine and identify the needs, wants, trends, and preferences of the consumers, or in other words, the demands of the consumers. And through this, I'll be better able to guide and assist my company in providing for these demands or how to supply for these demands on a specific level. And through this, I will be a great asset to any organization I choose to engage with. This then will set me apart from my colleagues in the workplace, as it would give me a competitive advantage over them, as well as through me being an asset to the company. This then will give my company a competitive advantage in the marketplace over their competitors, as they would have a better understanding of the consumer's demands and how to meet them. So therefore, through this, I know whatever profession I choose to engage in, I will be well equipped to navigate that profession and be an asset. Thank you for your time.